Good morning, students. So how do we find the videos, right? Videos from the book or MyMathLab. So here's how you do it. You go to the course, right? And then you click on the My Multimedia Library, right? You click here. Then it's going to show all chapters, all sections, and then select all activity, animation, learning activity, guided visualization, right? So we're going to look at the videos, right? So you can choose any chapters or all chapters, but I'm going to choose chapter 5. So if I click the chapter 5, if you click on the video, you're going to see the videos below, right? So for example, here's the 5.2, objective 1, objective 2, objective 3, and if the videos are interactive or not, you can see all these informations here. So if you click in one of those videos, right, something will pop up. It's going to look like this, right? And then you can play that.
Of the variable found in step.
So
solve the system.
Here's the video there.
Equals 20.
And then this also has intractability. So something pops up around this time. Here's a question. You can solve it and then you can choose the answer. If you choose the I'm just choosing one.
You chose option
C.
C.
If it's incorrect, it'll tell you why it's incorrect.
Check it.
So go back again.
You chose option A.
So for example, what if it's option is A, that's correct, right? So it will tell you and everything there. So anyway, that is how you find the video on MyMathLab. So again, going back to my multimedia library, it has a lot of other things too. You can choose, you can select all of them. If you choose for chapter 5, you're going to find some other chapter prep videos are here, some PowerPoints are here, and multimedia textbook is your textbook is there, and there are some animations in solving these things. So for example, here are some animations here.
Solving a system in 2x is 4x plus 3 times step-by-step solutions there. Notice that equation 4
anyway, you can follow all this, and that's how you find your resources from your book. I will stop it right here. I'll have a great day.